DJI Mini 4K Drone Review Budget-Friendly 4K Drone for Adults. Movie Camera. In today's video, we take an in-depth look at the DJI Mini 4K. DJI's most affordable 4K drone designed for adults, beginners, and casual aerial enthusiasts who want stunning video quality without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting your drone journey or looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly option, the DJI Mini 4K might be the perfect fit. Let's dive into the details. White heavy checkmark key features. 4K UHD camera at 30 frames per second. Capture crisp, high-resolution footage with incredible clarity. The image quality is impressive for its size and price point. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Get buttery smooth video even in moderate wind. DJI's stabilization system really shines here. Ultra lightweight, under 249 g, no FAA registration required in the US. Just unbox, power up, and fly. 31-minute flight time. Fly longer with an impressive battery life that rivals more expensive drones. DJI Fly app compatibility. Easily control the drone, access intelligent flight modes, and edit your footage right from your smartphone. Adult airplane flight experience. Flying the DJI Mini 4K is a joy, smooth, responsive, and surprisingly stable even in light breeze conditions. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive controls, while more advanced users can make the most of the drone's cinematic capabilities. We tested flight range, altitude hold, and return-to-home functionality, and everything worked flawlessly. The GPS lock is fast and reliable, giving users peace of mind in every flight. Clapperboard video and image quality. The 4K footage looks stunning, crisp and detailed with vibrant colors. Perfect for YouTube content, real estate videos, or personal travel vlogs. Even though it doesn't shoot 60 frames per second, the 30 frames per second mode provides cinematic motion when stabilized through the gimbal. Still photos are sharp and full of detail, with solid dynamic range for a drone at this price point. You can shoot landscapes, architecture, and overhead shots with confidence. Mobile phone app integration. The DJI Fly app makes flying smarter and easier. Beginner tutorials. Intelligent flight modes, quick shots like drone, rocket, circle, helix. Instant editing and social sharing. On-screen flight telemetry. Battery and charging. With up to 31 minutes of flight time per charge, the DJI Mini 4K performs on par with higher-end models. The included charger is compact, and the Fly More combo, if you have it, adds extra batteries and a carrying case for extended trips. Hammer and wrench build quality and design. This drone is compact, foldable, and fits easily in a backpack. It feels premium despite its small size, and the propellers are surprisingly durable. Its low takeoff weight means it's easy to transport and quick to set up. Just unfold, connect, and fly. Thumbs up pros. Stunning 4K video for the price. Light and portable, great for travel. No FAA registration required, under 249 g. Easy for beginners to pick up. Solid battery life. Thumbs down cons. No obstacle avoidance sensors. Lacks 60 frames per second in 4K mode. Limited advanced features compared to higher-end DJI drones. Direct hit final verdict. The DJI Mini 4K is a phenomenal entry-level drone that delivers true 4K video in a compact and beginner-friendly package. It's ideal for hobbyists, travelers, and content creators on a budget who want reliable performance, stunning visuals, and DJI's trusted flight tech. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes or just exploring your local park from the sky, this drone gets the job done and looks good doing it. White medium star rating, 4.5/5 stars. Affordable, capable, and fun, the DJI Mini 4K hits the sweet spot for drone enthusiasts looking to fly high without spending big.